Lia Menteri Rang Badu Kari ya ka KK Patel Super Speciality Hospital Habuj Gujarat ong ba kajing ajing sumar bapaka kanya da om tang na kajing pang hinray kan wanra ru ya kajing bisa hok ha ke imlang sa alam. Yamir jumud Menteri Ketanat Kambari USJ Shankar ya kajing ta jong kajing ya kajia ha Ukraine ya keputai kamtam ya kabam gadi bat kajing beteng bat penyo kimar po kendo bedon kam bat UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres. Kajing duna ha kilat yo kam yo jam kalong kadau ba ya ki samla ban phai se ki kam king atyar ong Menteri Rang Ba Kajala upon red ke sangma. Rakhi kiriungat Kristan ha keling ke perthai ka Good Friday mentah kasi. Ki khubor ki babnya. Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi ne kasngi ula ais ngobha ya ka KK Patel Super Speciality Hospital Habuj Gujarat syakari lingba ka video conferencing. Haba ajeng kran hari ka program Modi ula ong ba ka hospital kan ajeng sumar babiang syaki brio hakador ka babin. Kan kami ba ka jeng ajeng sumar bapaka ya ki bahayen jong ki sipai ba ya ki brio ki bakayi pateng. Ula ben rapru baka jing don jeng kilat ai jeng sumarkan om ya datang na ki jeng pang rekan wan ra ru ya ka jeng bishar hok ha ke imlang sa lang umodi ula ong ru baka jing don jong ka jeng ai jeng sumar ha ka dor ka babet baka jeng sumar ka bapaka na ka benta ki beduk ka pens kembiang ya ka jeng shanya jong u haka
बेहतर स्वास्थ्य सुविधाएं सिर्फ बीमारी के इलाज तक ही सीमित नहीं होती ये सामाजिक न्याय को प्रोत्साहित करती है प्रतिष्ठित करती है जब किसी गरीब को सस्ता और उत्तम इलाज सुलभ होता है तो उसका व्यवस्था पर भरोसा मजबूत होता है इलाज के खर्च की चिंता से गरीब को मुक्ति मिलती है तो वो निश्चिंत होकर गरीबी से बाहर निकलने के लिए परिश्रम करता है
Menteri Ketanat Kambari USJ Shankar ulai mirjengmut halor ka jengketa jong ka jengya ka ja ha ka Ukraine ha ka perthai brokawe kamtam ha ka bede bat ka bam ka di bat ka jengpeteng ban penyo ki marpo khendo kum ka natural gas bat Secretary General ka United Nations Antonio Guterres nin kasngi Menteri ulai tho ya ka neling ba ka Twitter Shushu Dr. J. Shankar ula ong bakani ka jengya ka ja ka dang tajur bha ya ki ri ki betang duna ka yo ka kot Uni Menteri ulai keren ru padu Secretary General halor ka jingja bedang shen hakari Afghanistan bat Myanmar. Menteri Rang Ba Kajala Konrad K Sangma ula kubur ba ka jingduna haki lat yo kam yo jam kalong ka daw ba baki samla jong Kajala ken pha shi kam king atyar. Menteri Rang Ba Kajala kasngi palai ula menjur ba ka isu jong ka jingbom yo kam bat ki kam pentrim kila don minta la bon snem da ka baong ru ba ka kam pentrim kam day ka jing andre ka mi na ki jing na ka jing duna ha ka yo ka kot ha ka imlang sa lang kani ka jing kren jong Menteri Rang Ba Kajala ka wan hadin ba ka kinhun pentrim bala ai kerteng lawai ba pernai kala ong bagi de khot ki phai sha ka jingking atyar na ka jing ha ka jing bom yo kam yo jam
It is the socio-economic situation and problem that leads to militancy. I have always maintained in all my statements that militancy is not the problem. It is a result of the problem, which is socio-economic issues. And therefore, unemployment definitely is a very, very important issue. But it is not an issue that one can just simply look at it and say that we'll take this step and it's resolved. It's a major issue throughout the state, throughout the country and throughout the world. And many governments work in different ways to tackle that. And therefore, from our government side also, unemployment is a very, very critical issue. That is the reason why our government has been focusing on many programs related to entrepreneurship, and we are promoting programs and promoting the youth that they should take up
Menteri Ketenat Kampok Yeng ubah lakmen rembui nan kesengi ulah pentip balayok ban kem ya ubriu bedon ketih ka ban pha iki email berngem ben pethe kanong ba hapo jong keken hun lawai bapernai shu lai thu ru ba layalam tokit ya arngut ki bersuba don ketilang bat kani keken hun ula ong ba ketenat pulit kadang pelong ya kejengwat benya bala kani kadai tangka kam jong wei ubriu ne dang don shu segi wei pan kini kilangut kita wei belah syakem bat arngut ki bedang syak tokit kidai ki besong besar haslong.
Email which circulated in the media, social media and other medium where there is one organization which threatened to disrupt the peace and tranquility in the state of Meghalaya. The police swung into action and immediately investigated the matter, and yesterday they could identify the man behind this email, and in the evening they have detained him and his associate. So the matter is under investigation.
Kumshi bentah ban sedang temai biang bat ban sop ban sepan biang ya laki jeng im ketenat pulit jong kejela kelatir wai ki koi di besyak set patok dak kami Gelaya State Skill Development Society. Hakabai day bat kini la thau ya ke program ai jeng hikai hinin kesngi Shalong jail ban ai jeng hikai ki nong syak set patok nang bakin yo ban trei ban kata hadian bakilalat. Kat kumu Inspector General Uba M Kharkrang ulai thuo bakatanat kadang persyang ban ai jeng hikai ki besyak sen kenang bakin yo ban sedang ya kejeng im bethamai bat ban im ya kejeng im bedon buram hadian bakila pendep ya kejeng pensaja.
Started this coaching camp for the inmates, which has been sponsored by Indian Oil, and they are coaching inmates on volleyball and carrom board. Some of them they are budding talents, and some of them have been identified as having a really true talent in them. So the thing is, we feel that those are wasted years, the time that they spend here in the prison. So what we are doing now is we are trying to build up their skill, so that once they leave the prison, they will be able to get employment and they will be able to live a life of dignity.
Menteri Ketenat District Council Affairs uba lakmen rembui hinin kesengi ulaong baka sarkar jela la arsian kala hukum ban pensak nge tray kam ya kitol gate bala penya da ka KHADC bat JHADC haki surok ba National Highway bat ki surok ka jela bat donjing tip la kini ki bot ne em ya kini ki jing ptha uba rembui laong ba na Ketenat DCA la arsian kala depan pha jing hukum ban pensak nge tray kam ya kitol gate kani ke jengkren jong u kawan hadin baka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association kala keno baka KHADC bat ki hima kila don keti bendawan kinong nyak trok na laipu artli ki tollgate bala subu bean.
From the DCA, we have already issued order. In fact, twice we have issued the order to all the district administration to see that the toolkit should be closed at all. What constrained them? I didn't have the information with me right now, so I cannot reply how whether they have implemented or not. I didn't have the information with me right now. But from the government through the DCA, we have already issued the order to close down all the toll gate on the National Highway of the KHDC or JHDC on the National Highway, State Road or
Mentah kesengi kedai kesengi Good Friday. Ka Good Friday kedai kejeng rakhi jong kiri unget Kristan kum kesengi bala saknar pnayo Jesu Kris bat kejeng yap jong u haulum Kalbari. La rakhi yakah katayo bukhut kum shibenta jong ka Pascal Trudem. Ha kani kesengi kiri unget ki ai kuble iwe ban yok bor bat kejeng suk. Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi ne kesengi ulakan mau ke jeng shulur bak jeng IT jong Jesu Kris ha kani kesengi bakhut leng ba ka Twitter umudi ulaong ba ka jing hikai jong u ban syakri ban yel bat ka jing yelong sipara ka de ka lenti ba khuat ya ki babun ha ka jela meglaya ru ki reu ngai Kristan ha ka leng ka jela ki la rakhe ka Good Friday menta ka singi Mentapan ini pet ya kejeng jengman kesibenang shalong. Kejeng syet kalong apun rio pon iwe degree Celsius kejeng kriat kalong katsan pon no degree Celsius kejeng sengam kau hau kalong henry pu prana kesis pak med step at sampuai na kesis pak janmet kala benot kejeng hap slap ka ba malu malaha ki pebon ki jaka. Sashi sen pat ngipin ken mawi pi begini ke kubor jengi pila aru ban pet live ke YouTube channel Jongga DT News shalong. Shaban pois ke bukut jong tu kubor ngani pek biang sesi ni kemat pekongsan. Pli Menteri Rang Badu Keri ya ka KK Patel Super Specialty Hospital Abuj Gujarat ong ba ka jeng ai jing sumar papaka ka dia da om tang na ki jeng pang Henry kan wan ra ru ya ka jeng bisar hok ha ka imlang salang. Yamir jumut Menteri Ketenat Kambari USJ Shankar ya ka jikta jong ka jing ka jah Ukraine ka berthai kham tam ya ka bam ka di bat ka jing peteng bat penyo ya ki mat po khando badon kam bat UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres. Kajing dunaha kilat yok kam yok jam kalong kedau ba e kisam laban phai ki kam king atiar ong Menteri Rang Ba ka jelau kon bet ki sangma. Pat rakhi ki riwet Kristan ha keleng ka berthai ka Good Friday menta kasi. Ti perlok ka tunglang pois ka bukut jang ka tu ku bor jang menta ka janmien ha rubing di syam biang mat pila syai kasi kublai pi baro.